So today we discuss GATE 2022 set 1 GATE mechanical engineering previous year 1 mark question. So the question is the figure shows a schematic of simple watt governor mechanism with spindle O1 O2 rotating an angular velocity omega about vertical axis. The ball at P and S have equal masses. P and S are equal masses. Assume that there is no friction anywhere and all other components are massless and rigid. The vertical distance between horizontal plane of rotation of the ball and pivot, this is denoted by H. The value of H 400 mm at certain omega. If omega is double, then the value of H will be dash mm. So given H1 is equal to 400 mm and we have to found H2, and given omega 1 is equal to omega, and if you double the speed, that means 2 times of omega, then H2 will be how much? We know for watt governor H is equal to G by omega square. So H omega square is equal to constant, and due to G value is constant. So relate this H1 omega 1 square is equal to H2 omega 2 square. Putting the value of H1 omega on H2, we get given H1 is equal to 400 and omega 1 is equal to omega square is equal to H2 we have to found, and omega 2 is equal to 2 times of omega whole square. So 400 into omega square is equal to H2 into 4 omega square cancel, and H2 is equal to 400, this 4 come to left side, so divided by 4, which is equal to 100 mm. So right answer will be 100 mm will be the slip height after omega is doubled. So the next question, a square thread screw is used to lift a load W by applying force F. The efficiency of square threaded screw is expressed as, the options are the ratio of work done by W per revolution to work done by F per revolution, simply W by F, simply F by W, and the ratio of work done F per revolution to work done by W per revolution. So the right answer will be the screw efficiency formula is equal to work done by applied force per revolution divided by work done in lifting the load per revolution. So the answer will be the ratio of work done by W per revolution to work done by F per revolution. And also one important from efficiency of screw jack, which is equal to tan alpha divided by tan phi plus alpha. This This is friction angle, this is helix angle. Next question. A CNC worktable is driven in a linear direction by a lead screw connected directly to a stepper motor. The pitch of the lead screw is 5 mm. The stepper motor complete one revolution upon receiving 600 pulses. If the worktable speed is 5 meter per minute and there is no missed pulse, then the pulse rate being received by the stepper motor. So given the number of steps required for one revolution of the stepper motor or lead screw, given 600, and pitch given 5 mm, and table speed given 5 meter per minute. This is the table speed and this is the lead screw. So the RPM of the lead screw, which is equal to NS is equal to V table divided by pitch. So it is equal to 1000 RPM. So we have to have an equation for pulse generator frequency of pulse generator, which is equal to NS into NS. Capital NS given 1000 and small ns is 600, which is equal to 6 lakhs pulses per minute. So in hertz or pulses per second, we have to divide by 60, which is equal to 10,000 pulses per second or hertz. So which is equal to 10 kilohertz. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. The type of fit between mating shaft of shaft diameter given and the hole diameter also given. Then this is the what type of fit: clearance fit or transition fit or interface fit or linear fit. So given the base dia is 25 and we also this converted into this is shaft, this is hole, which is upper diameter is 25.03 and this is 25.01 and this is 25 plus 0.01, 0 is equal to 3, 25.0 minus 0.010, which is equal to 24.99. This is hole. Sometimes the hole will be larger than shaft and sometimes the shaft also larger than the hole. So this is the transition type of fit. Next question. In a linear programming problem, if the source is not fully utilized, the shadow price of that source will be positive, negative, 0, infinite. So in the linear programming problem, if the source is not fully utilized, the shadow price or the dual price y particular resource is 0. So option C is the correct answer. Next question number, which one of the following is not a form of inventory? Raw material, work in process, finished goods, CNC milling machine. CNC milling machine is not a form of inventory. Next question, the Clausius inequality hold good for any process, any cycle, only reversible process, only reversible cycle. So Clausius inequality hold good for any cycle. Clausius inequality dq by t less than or equal to 0. When less than is 0, irreversible process which is equal to 0, reversible process greater than 0, impossible. This is cycle integration, that means it represents cycle. Next question, a tiny temperature probe is fully immersed in flowing fluid and is moving with zero relative velocity with respect to the fluid. The velocity field in the fluid is given by v vector is equal to 2s I cap plus y plus 3t j cap, and temperature field in the fluid given by t is equal to 2x square plus xy plus 40, where x and y are spatial coordinate and t is the time rate change temperature recorded by the probe. So we have to find dt by temperature with respect to time. We have to find at x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, time is equal to 1. So we know d temperature with respect to time is equal to del t by del t into dt divided by dt plus del t divided by del x into dx divided by dt plus del t divided by del y into dy divided by del t, as this is only relative to x and y, so there is no z component. So this dx by dt and dy by dt represent velocity in x direction and velocity in y direction. So rewrite this, and dt by dt is equal to 1. So del t by del t plus u into del t by del x plus b into del t by del y. So given t is equal to 2x square plus xy plus 40, so del t by del t is equal to, this is 0 plus 0 plus 4, so write this 4 plus u, and del t by del x is equal to 4x plus y plus v into del t by del y, this is equal to x. So 4 into u value, u is 2x into 4x plus y plus v value is y plus 3t into x. So at x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 and t is equal to 1, dt by temperature at x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 and t is equal to 1, we get 4 plus 2 into 1 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus y is equal to 1 plus 3 into 1 into 1. So we get 4 plus 1 5 into 2 10 plus 3 plus 1 4 into 1 4. This is 4 in plus 10 14 plus 4 equal to 18. So answer will be option C. That's all for today. In the next class we discuss the remaining 1 mark question from the GATE Mechanical 2022 set 1 paper. So thank you.